So what we're going to demonstrate here is the installation of the decorative gutters. If your greenhouse was ordered with the decorative gutter, then this prep work would have already been done, but for demonstration purposes, we'll show you how to add it after the fact. So the decorative gutters will be the exact same length as the regular gutter on your greenhouse. Now this is a job you're definitely going to want at least one extra set of hands for, if not two. But you'll see there's a line here on the gutter, and your decorative gutter will line up perfectly with that line. So once you have it in place, take one of the provided self-tapping screws. Now those self-tapping screws will line up with the bars or the caps on your greenhouse, so you don't have to worry about hitting the glass at all. Okay, so what you'll see here, if you have a larger greenhouse or a greenhouse with a truss, we'd tap weep holes into the existing gutter. Your decorative gutter should come in just underneath that weep hole right there. So the positioning of the gutter allows water to still escape from the inside of the greenhouse, drain into your exterior, your decorative gutter, and then you're all good to go. So this is actually just a simple installation of our gutter straps used on the decorative gutter system. It's actually quite a simple little L bracket. It actually just tucks right underneath the gutter. I recommend lining it up with your roof bar or with your roof cap. Just using a self-tapping screw, you can just fire it right into the gutter. And that's how you attach a decorative gutter strap.